Hey, this is Ron Good Investigations. Wanted to do a quick video about quishing scams. Quishing scams are QR code scams. Pretty much a scammer, malicious actor will try to get you to scan a QR code to get you to a scummy website. And on that website, they'll either try to install malicious software, malware, or they'll try to get information from you, either like often credit card information, but also personally identifiable information that they can try to use to steal your identity. One of the ways to do this is by sending unrequested packages with cheap items. So that cheap item, it'll show up on your doorstep. There's no return address, and you inside the box or envelope there will be a QR code for you to scan. And when you scan it, you'll end up on the scammy website, but it may look very official. And you'll enter. It'll ask you to enter some information or try to install that malware, and that's how they'll get you. Another way to get you to scan QR codes is to put a missed delivery slip on your door or through your mailbox or however that works where you live. And when you scan it, again, you'll be on that malicious website. It'll probably ask you to enter some information to figure out where your package is, what happened to your package, how can you pick it up. And when you enter that information, they have gotten information about you. And another way to try to get you to scan malicious QR codes is through fake menus. So a lot of the restaurants now will have QR code menus. They will sneak into the restaurant or, as actual customers, replace the QR codes. And when you scan the QR code or the victim scans a QR code, they will end up on a fake food ordering website looking like the restaurant's menu. And then you will order your food, and then it'll say, okay, you can pay now. Enter your credit card information. You don't need to, wait till the end of your meal to pay or anything like that. And then when you pay, they've got your credit card information, and they have automated stuff to go out and use your credit card as quickly as possible. Um, yeah. And so, on all of these situations, if when you're opening these sites, it's telling you that it wants to access your contacts or photos or anything like that, this is when this should be raising red flags. If you're entering any information on a page that you QR code scanned, that should be raising red flags for you. But just don't scan QR codes in public, like on signs and on billboard, not billboards, maybe those are probably safer, but like on street posts, on light poles, things like that. They're inherently risky with not very much return or gain to be had. Yeah. All right. This is Run Good Investigations. Stay safe out there. Have a good one. Bye.